Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. India Moore. Today I'm going to be doing a blue smoky eye, one of my new favorite looks. And this look is inspired by somebody on Instagram named Slays Daily. And he did this look on one of my best friends and I really loved it. So I want to do a shout out to him. Hey Quitman, I'm doing this look by you. It's an inspiration. Thank you. First, I'm going to be setting my eyelids, you guys, with foundation, patting it in really, really lightly, then setting it with loose powder. Now I'm going to be going over it with a Morphe light orange and then back over with a dark orange, making sure I'm deepening the color. You want to really get into that crease as much as you can. And keep deepening that color. And then I'm going back over with the Morphe dark brown color. And I'm blending it out. Now I'm cutting my crease with a Morphe concealer. And I'm using my concealer as a base, you guys. Now going in with a blue eyeshadow. I don't even know the name of this eyeshadow, but it's a dark royal blue. And I'm blending it out into the cut crease. This video is moving really fast, you guys. I didn't even realize how fast the video was moving until I cut all the scenes, so I'm really sorry about that. Now I'm going underneath with the light orange colors that I used before, and then I'm going back with the blue for underneath my eye. Going over my eyelashes with mascara, and now I'm moisturizing my face with a MAC moisturizer. And I'm color correcting the dark spots on my face with Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector. Make sure you blend that orange corrector in, because if not, it will show through your foundation. Going back over my foundation with a Maybelline foundation, my favorite foundation right now at the moment. It's the Fit Me Beige. Using my yellow corrector by Pro Conceal from underneath my eye as a highlight. Then using my Pro Concealer, the dark brown, and I'm contouring out my cheeks. And my jawline and my temples. Now setting my face with powder. Adding blush to my cheekbones. Using that same concealer to contour my nose. Now adding a light gold shimmery highlight to my cheeks, my nose, and my lip. Setting my face with NYX spray. Finishing spray, sorry. Now using Joe Blasco's light nude lipstick. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.